Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have never been here before, my name is Allison. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. You're welcome. Today I am going to be doing a try-on of this month's Boxycharm. This month we got some really awesome goodies, including some really cool things that I've been just dying to try, like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, which I will not be showing on camera because y'all don't want to see these cheeks. And then there was also some Luxie brushes, eyeshadow palette. I'm going to put them all on my eyeballs. Ooh, these lashes. So if you want to see how the products in this month's box perform on the eyes, on the face, on the world, then just keep watching. So this is what comes inside of this month's Boxycharm box. You get a cutie patootie pair of lashes from Battington lashes. Those are cute. You get an Ofra liquid lipstick. I got one in the shade Verona, which is a very good nude. And then you get a Jonteblu lip pencil, eyeliner pencil. I got the shade dark brown. I think that they did that before and I got like a navy or a green shade. I'm not 100% sure. This is actually something I've always wanted to try. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. That is something that I will not be trying on camera for you because I'm not about to show the YouTube community my buns. Next you got a little like threesome that would be two. You got a little threesome of Luxie brushes. They are face brushes, so I have not done my bronzer and blush yet, so I will be using those. And then lastly you got this, ooh, I hope I don't butcher it, Alamar Cosmetics palette. Let me open her up. Oh, so this is what the palette looks like. It has a bunch of like this looks like a beach vacation. You've got like orange, like a big sunset. There's like this cool green and blues. 4 shimmers and 4 mattes, and I feel like you could do a lot of really cute stuff with that. So basically today I'm going to be doing the try-on style of my Boxycharm box, and I'm going to be starting with these Luxie brushes. I want to use, this one's like a dual fiber, so I'll use that for my blush I think, and then I'm going to try to just use these two to somehow do my bronzer, even though they're kind of small for what I like to use. The bronzer I'm using today is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I thought this one would be fun to use since the palette is so tropical. I thought it might. Oh, whoa. Today we're going for a very harsh line. It's not bad for the forehead. I'm not gonna lie, not the best brush to do your bronzer with. I'm just going to go in with my Morphe Y5 and kind of attempt to buff it all out. Next, I'm going to be going in with this blush from Beauty Counter. It is the Powder Blush Duo in Bloom and Tulip. And I'll go in with the Luxie brush that's like duo fibery. I think that might work well. Or not. Oh no, it's working. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. Oh, she's rosy. Oops. Okay, so I went a little heavy-handed on the blush. I really thought it wasn't working at first, and then all of a sudden it was like, boop, here's all the blush in the world. But it is a very pretty blush, so I ain't that mad. I'm gonna get into the eyes. This is, again, the Alamar Cosmetics palette. There is no mirror in the palette, so I'm going to go ahead and pull one out here. I think I'm going to go for a little bit of a haloed sunset type dealio, and that's about it. I probably won't talk through this part. I'm just going to kind of go ahead and do the dang thing. These lashes are actually really easy to apply. I had to cut off a lot of the band though. They were super duper long for my eyes, but really easy to apply, and I think they look really nice with the eye look. And then I thought I was recording when I put on the Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. I like it. It's very brown for this look. I think once the cameras stop rolling, I'm probably gonna put on a much brighter lip for this, what even is this? But yeah, I love Ofra liquid lipstick formula. I have quite a few of them here in my beauty palace. And then as I was putting on my mascara, all hell broke loose. Wait for it. The nerve. The nerve. Alright, and there you have it. This is the final look using all of the products, almost all of the products, because remember, we got the lotion in the June. Oh my god, I cannot believe it's already June. Almost past June. Oh my god, it's almost July. What the hell? If you guys like these kind of videos where I take the monthly subscription boxes and try them on my face instead of just showing you what's in them, leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. Stay loving, stay positive, and I'll see you on the next one.